Hi everyone, Letty here, Party Planner Papery. I have some swag bags that I want to put together, but let me show you a sneak peek of what's going in them ahead of our crafty retreat. Welcome back everyone. So by now you've probably already seen my previous videos or my announcement on Instagram where I mentioned that I was going to be an instructor at the Paper Escape Staycation 2026 or 2026 Staycation. And so what it is it's a crafty retreat. It's all virtual and it is for card makers. We will be making several different cards and there's several different instructors. I'll pop a little picture right here so you can see all of the super fantastic instructors that are going to be instructing or teaching a class at this event. It is a 2-day event. I believe it's the last person on the first day, which is the 11th of April. And then I will also make an appearance on the second day, which is like a bonus day. There's several different things. There are some free tickets that you can pick up. I'll have a link down in the description box below. There are still a few of the VIP tickets left, but very, very few. So what I wanted to do was come on here and kind of show a little bit of a swag bag that I'm going to be putting together to throw into all of those VIP kits. The VIP kit is something that will have all of the items that can't come with the class, with the actual retreat bundle. And so it's what the instructors will be using. So if you like crafting along with the exact supplies that your instructors are using, you'll definitely want to check out that VIP bundle. Again, there's only a few left. And as a little perk, you'll also get one of these swag bags that I'm going to be sending over to Lynn to throw into all of the VIP boxes. Now, if and when those VIP boxes do sell out, there are still some bonus day boxes that you can, or retreat packages that you can pick up. It is completely digital, but you will be getting some of the items that come with the actual kit itself. I think some digital versions. So you won't get anything mailed to you, but you would get a few of the digital items that go along with the collections that are for this retreat. So anyway, I thought it would be fun. I reached out to Lynn, who is LV Handcrafted. She's coordinating the Paper Escape. And I thought it would be fun to put together a few items that I have either in my shop or things that I've made, throw them together and give them as a little bit of a swag gift for all of the VIP retreat members. I'm also going to be sending her a few extra little swag kits so that she can give away during the actual event itself. So just in case you aren't able to get one of those VIP tickets, you can still maybe win one of these little super fun swag bags. But let me show you everything that I'm going to put into these bags, and then I will finish making the rest of these. I've got to make a ton of them for all the VIP members. So I'm super excited about that. And I'm kind of excited to kind of get rid of some of this stash that I've had here at my house. But again, I'll have links down below. You can check it out, but make sure if it's something that you're interested in, make sure you jump on it pretty quick, because there are a very, very limited number of, especially the VIP tickets left. Those are the ones that are getting the full kit, and they're very, very limited. So definitely check that out. But I'll have all that information down in the description box below. So here is what the swag kit is going to look like. I thought it would be super fun. If you watch my channel, you know I love holographic. I love anything holographic. So I thought it would be super fun to put it in these fun holographic bags. So I made a little sticker here, and we've got a bunch of fun goodies. So I have all of those stickers. I've already pre-made them, cut them on my silhouette. They are ready to go, so I can finish assembling these swag bags. I thought it would be fun to include several different items, one of which is a 5x7 sticker sheet. These are matte, so you can technically write on them, and they're pretty durable because they are matte vinyl. So they're matte vinyl sticker sheets. So I brought out a ton from my stash that I've made. And a lot of these were in my Etsy shop at one point or another. Some of them have already expired out, but I still have a ton of stickers. So we're throwing one sheet into each swag bag. I also have several notepads in my shop. And so I wanted to throw in some samples of these. So I'm going to throw in one sheet of each of these. I've got 2 of these 5x7 pads, and then I've got 3 of these, and I think they're 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's 1/4 of a regular 8 1/2 by 11 cardstock size. But I have the card prompts. I also have the crafty project notes, And then I have the 2 pads that I released in my Christmas collection back at the end of last year. So I've got a weekly plan, and I also have a notes. I think these are super, super fun. I really enjoyed using these at the end of the end of last year, and I still technically use them even now. And then this one says, let's talk about it. Has some super fun tacos. Super, super fun. So what I wanted to do was do one of each of these. And then I do sell bookmarks. I sort of get stuck as far as like, I have so many ideas, but I run out of time. So all of these are about 2 by 6, and they're all laminated. In fact, I even have some new designs that I've purchased. Like I designed and then I had them manufactured, and then I cut them and laminate them and everything. And I haven't even put them on my shop. So these are some of the newer designs that I just recently designed. I thought they were super fun, super cute. And then I do have some different designs for taco lovers. So I've got those as well. I thought those would be super fun. Sorry about the glare. And then I have some for the girlies. So I've got this one right here. Literally Lovely and Bookish Vibes. Again, sorry about the glare. But I've got a ton of these. They're already laminated, ready to go. So I figured I would throw one of these in. I do have some little sticky notes in my shop. These are 3 by 3s and they're 50 count. I thought these would be fun to also throw in. So I've got this one that I think I'm going to try to feature this little pad today for this swag bag. So I've got some of these that are going to be going in. You'll get one of those as well. Now, one of the big things that I like doing in my shop is I do scratch offs for savings challenges, but I think that it's fun to use these scratch off stickers for just about anything. So I like using them to make little crafty prompts, especially when you don't have as much mojo, like you've lost your crafty mojo, you're not really sure what to do, you want something like as a starting off or kicking off point. These are fantastic. And I love throwing these as freebies in my orders. I did some holiday mail, I think 2 years ago, and I sent some of these out in holiday mail. I think they're super, super fun. Absolutely love them. So I have a ton of these. I'm going to throw one of these in each of those. What you'll do is you'll take it out, you'll read what it says, and then you start to scratch. And as you scratch, it's going to tell you some different prompts. So I think they're just super, super fun. But I have, again, iterations of those in my shop. Not exactly like this. I think the ones in my shop are a little bit bigger and they're laminated, so they're more durable, but absolutely super fun. And then I did go ahead and I had started making these to go into my card kits that I have in my shop. I need to restock them because I don't really have any like newer versions. That'll be my goal for this year. But I wanted to include this little handmade with love by. You're going to get 4 stickers that at the end of making each card from the class, you could always put one of these little stickers and then sign it. And that way it's ready to give away, to sell, whatever you want to do. So I've got a ton of these ready to go for the swag bags as well. Now, of course, no swag bags would be complete without additional vinyl stickers. So I've got 2 versions here. I've got a matte vinyl sticker. So this one's just matte, it's not laminated, but these are Happy Meal stickers. I do sell these in my shop. I think they're super fun. You put them on like packages or mail and they just really brighten up, I feel like, the outside of your package. So I've got a couple different sizes here. I'm going to go through the larger ones first. I've got a couple different iterations there. Once I go through those, I will jump into the smaller sizes, but we'll see what I can give away for those. And then I also wanted to include a laminated die cut vinyl sticker. So these are some that I have created and I had in my shop. I think these are super fun. Zero Patience. I have Zero Regrets, and I've got a couple different sizes of those. I also have some bigger capybaras and then some smaller ones. Did someone say donuts? I think that's super fun. So I've got some other ones in my stash. I'm going to start with these and then I'll probably bring out some more. And so those are the items that I'm planning on throwing into these little swag bags. I'll also throw in a little discount with some maybe QR codes to get to my shop or to my YouTube channel or maybe to my Ko-fis, where you can get some free items in my Ko-fi shop. So I will definitely add that as well into the little swag bag. But I think these are going to be super fun. I can't wait to see what you guys say on the day of the event, especially for those VIP members that open up the bag and are able to maybe use the little post-it notes or maybe use the stickers or bookmark or whatever as you're crafting along with us. I will be in the chat both days, and so it is a pre-recorded event, at least on day 1. So my class will be pre-recorded, and actually my class will be pre-recorded both days because I'll be on both the 11th and the 12th. of April, but I will definitely be live in the chat with you all. So if there's any questions or anything, I will be there to help answer anything I can and just join along and have a super fun time with y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm going to step back and I'm going to go ahead and make all the rest of my swag bags so I can get them over to Lynn. As you can see, I have quite a few that I need to be prepping and making. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that, get these out. But I wanted to take a second and just kind of show you guys, officially announce that we will be sending out these little swag bags to go with the VIP kits. So again, there's only a few limited of those VIP kits. If it's something that you want, which is the physical kit, you're going to get the paper, the stamp, you're going to get the additional pack of ephemera, you're going to get all the card stocks to go along with it, all the little odds and ends and tools. There's a tape runner, and there might even be some additional perks and things that come with the kit. But basically, you'll be using the items that the instructors are using, plus you'll get a couple of extra freebies, one of which will be this super fun swag bag for me with a little bit of different items that I have either personally designed, personally handmade, or just something that I wanted to throw in for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're getting as excited as we are. Make sure you stay tuned for additional like sneak peeks and cards and things like that that are going to be coming out as we lead up to the event. Again, the event is going to be on April 11th and 12th. So make sure you check that out. Make sure you sign up if you haven't already. There is basically an option for everybody. There is a free option and you can go and get all access to the first day of videos with us. Definitely check that out. There is of course the VIP kit where you can actually purchase the actual like kit bundle from the class, plus you'll get the extra swag bags and anything else that Lynn happens to throw in. And then there's the bonus day, which is an additional kit that's digital. And so if you sign up for the VIP, you don't need to sign up for the digital unless you really want the digital stuff, but you definitely want to check it out and at least sign up for one of the three, including that free option. So I'll have everything linked down below. Thank you so much for joining. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this. And as always, happy crafting. Thanks so much for visiting, everyone. Drop your favorite heart emoji down in the comments down below to let me know that you made it this far in the video. Happy crafting.